Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you
how to delete YouTube subscriptions quickly. For that, open the YouTube application on your mobile device. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, at the bottom you can see the different icon. Simply tap on subscriptions. At the top right corner, you can find out all button. Tap on it at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can easily find all the subscriptions on your YouTube. In order to delete YouTube subscription quickly, you can simply tap on the notification bell which is next to the YouTube channels, and on this you can tap on unsubscribe which is at the bottom of the screen and easily unsubscribe in this way. So doing so, you can easily delete YouTube subscription quickly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.